Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to add a new layer. So for example, you can draw rectangle and I will create again circle. So if you want add a new layer, you can type a layer, press enter. It will be show for the layer properties manager dialog box. To add a new layer, click these icons, new layer. And then you can set the names. I will set into rectangle. We create again a new layer, set to circle. Now I will change the color, this rectangle into red. And then for the circle, you can set to blue color. So we add a new layer in here. And if you want to apply it to the object, you can select the object, go to properties, and then you can change the layer into rectangle. And then select again the circle object, change layer to circle. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027, how to add a new layer.